Welcome back to Professor's Underground Project. Today we are diving into the crucial topic of waterproofing and fire blocking. We will uncover each layer of this puzzle for your basement transformation. Before we roll up our sleeves, I want to express my appreciation for stopping by this channel. If you find this video informative, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribe to Professor's Underground Project. Now let's dive in. And here is the central question. How can we make our basement a safe and comfortable space? In the battle against water and fire in this underground space, I'd like to present a breakdown of 5 major problems and the way we address them in the area. Please do consult your township office for the code and specific requirement in your local area. First, let's address the sneaky culprit of moisture from the concrete foundation. Start with the moisture check. Cover a section of the wall and floor with plastic sheeting overnight. In the morning, you will unveil the truth about humidity and condensation. Now, before we dive into waterproofing, please consider grading. Make sure the land slopes away from the foundation. It's like creating a barrier to keep rainwater from getting too cozy with the space near the house. And those cracks on your walls and floors, seal them up from inside and out, especially if it gets wet. But here is a tip. When it comes to those gaps around the floor perimeter, known as cove joints, it's actually okay to leave them be. They serve a purpose of drainage. And let's face it, water has the knack of finding its way out anyway. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of moisture barrier. Hang 4mm plastic sheeting from the seal plate to the floor. No taping required. We are letting it flow freely, allowing moisture and condensation to gracefully find their way out. Fire safety is our next big player. Vertical and ceiling fire stops are here to guard against flames from coming in from above. Use heavy-duty materials like 5/8 fire code type X sheetrock, or you can get creative with metal, plywood, or lumber. Horizontally, use the same sheetrock to divide the framing into small chambers of 10 feet or less. This way, in case of fire, it won't be able to draw much air and spread quickly from one chamber to the other. Don't forget those gaps. They are channels of invitation to the fire party. Fire caulking or the orange spray foam works great to seal them. The same goes to holes, so seal them up once you have run the electricity wire. It's humid in the basement and vapors sneaky too, so be prepared for them. Once framing, wiring, and insulation are in place, we are wrapping this all up in 6mm plastic sheeting. This will block warm vapor from getting cozy into the insulation where it shouldn't. It should be a tight seal, so where there is a cut or leak, tape it. Last but not least, the floor. Before you lay down the awesome vinyl flooring, install a waterproof underlayment. Leave a 1/4-inch gap where it reaches the wall. This allows any water or condensation to stay under it and have a chance to travel around to ventilate, instead of making its way onto your cozy floor. And there you have it, my friend. We've tackled each of these challenges, from grading to moisture barrier, to fire blocking, to vapor barrier, to waterproofing underlayment, which are the essential components to make your basement safe and water-free. Also consider a dehumidifier to make your space dry and cozy. Thank you so much for joining us today on this journey. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If a professor can do it, you can do it. Until the next time, may the Lord bless you and grant you peace. 平安。